here's my air horn setup. My compressor fills up this tank and then it fills itself back up. And then it runs under this seat and there's a button in there. The compressor fills up the propane tank and then the compressor fills itself back up to 100 psi. And then that's the button. And then well, let me open the hood first. Let me open the hood. I'll show you guys the air horns. Hold on. The air horns are down there. There's the funnel to make it echo a little bit more. Just do the air horns though. Hold on. Alright, so that's it.